Welcome to TTFit Learn. In this video we're going to be talking about match journaling. Match journaling has been designed and created so you can keep track of your past results and learn from them. And it also is used to track your statistics, areas that you need to work on, and it also links into our TTFit Smart Coach. To create a match journal, you simply need to create a TTFit account. When you've got your account created, you will see the profile tab in the bottom right corner. When you click on the bottom right corner, you click on match journaling. Here you will be able to see a list of player names that you have played in the past. You'll be able to see the scores, the dates in which you played them, and also the venue in which you played them at. To create a new match note or match journal, you click on the top right hand side and you can simply enter in all of the details. We have player name, event name, date, match score, whether they're lefty, righty, attacker or defender, their strengths, their weaknesses, areas of the game you were happy with, areas of improvement, and one main area of improvement, as well as rating it and what you would do differently next time. So the one thing that we like about this type of match journaling is that often we lose a match and we move on and we don't effectively break it down and what we could have done differently. This is a great opportunity for you to break down what happened in the match. Even if you won, there's always things we can do better. With the main area of improvement, this then links into our TTFit Smart Coach. So when you select the main area of improvement, after our TTFit system reviews your matches, after maybe 5 or 6 match journals, we then will develop and automatically send you a table tennis session for you to work on that will help you overcome those main obstacles and the main areas that you need to improve on. Not only that, when you finish your match notes and you start populating your data, you then will be able to view your statistics. So you'll be able to see how many matches you've won, how many matches you've lost. Now you'll also be able to break down the main areas that you have reported back that you could have improved on. So you can see here, I have noted that my third ball backhand and my flick could be worked on. And also you'll get more of a statistics breakdown at the very bottom of the statistics page. Sets won, sets lost, wins v lefties, wins v righties, wins v attackers. So the aim is that you can very quickly view your statistics and you can very quickly make changes to your training and you can overall progress your game much faster and much more effectively using TTFit app.